Should we go on a train? Let's see where we're going to end up. Well, you're going to see from the description, but let's head down to Belper station and catch a train to Derby. Cue the intro. Let's go and climb aboard. Welcome aboard, passengers. Mega Sim here. We are on a 170 to Derby as we are heading to Manchester. Now, we've done it before where we've gone Belper, Derby, Stoke up to Manchester Piccadilly. We've done the Alfreton one train to Manchester Piccadilly. Are we going to need to do the tickets? Just give me a sec. It's just going into the back of the cab, so no need. Anyway, so yeah, we've done the one train, the East Midlands 158 from Alfreton, Chesterfield, Sheffield, etc.
Good morning, folks. This train is for Duffield and Derby this morning. My colleagues were on board carrying out a ticket examination of all tickets this morning. Please keep your tickets with you when moving about the train this morning. I can be of assistance to you. I'm located at the rear of this 3-car train. This train is for Duffield and Derby. We're due to have Derby this morning at 9:46. Notice anything
It's very bright.
Suspicious looking on the train. Please report this to yourself or any of my colleagues on board this train today. All reported to British Transport Police by taking 16101. So this train is for Duffield and Derby this morning.
So yeah, I'm just going to cut it off because it's probably going to be him that's going to do my ticket. So just give us a minute, and I'll then chat you through the next stage. Took long enough. It was somebody else, but yeah, we've just passed Sheffield, heading towards Derby. So yeah, today's video is going to be Belper to Derby, and then an East Midlands trains from Derby to Sheffield, then Sheffield to Manchester Piccadilly. And then the next train real world video will be the return journey, but that will be Manchester to Sheffield, Sheffield to Belper. So yeah, that's going to be an interesting one. But no, lovely glorious sky. It's freezing cold, but I've just got my jumper on, but it doesn't matter. But yeah, let's head to Derby and see what happens next. But yeah, just wanted to also let you know, guys, that over the next couple of weeks I will be trying to move house, packing, things like that, so videos will reduce probably dramatically because I've got to pack. Long story short, we need to leave our house. Haven't been able to find anywhere, but I think we have now, which is good. So hopefully that's all going to go smoothly. We'll be moving in the next few weeks, but because of still having to live and things like that, it's just been difficult to try and pack as well. We have packed, but we've just got a lot of extra stuff to do, so just so you're aware. But anyway, we're on the 170, I forgot to say, and we're in the standard class area as it is now, but this is the old first class seat, so yeah, nice little comfy first class seat. Got the power down there as well. Yeah, Derby next up. into Derby. We're slightly late, only a couple of minutes late, but that's fine because my next train is about 12 minutes past 10, so still got plenty of time.
Departure for Sheffield, 12 minutes past 10.
Oh, there you go.
Any other
Platform 5, I think you said, so yeah, that's where we're going.
Train tickets barriers are in operation at this station and will take personal belongings when you're ready for the train. We'd like to wish all a very good morning.
Good morning. So yeah, here's Derby College with the roundhouse. It's a lovely place. It's an old turntable, sheds. Oh, it's gorgeous. Well, that's nice. If the 1012 is at 5, we're on 6 at the moment, so not for 6-4. So 5 is just there. Alright, let's get off.
Platform 5 for the 10-12 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield at the very rear. Platform 6 for the 10:09 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras, calling at Leicester and London St Pancras. This train is formed from 7 coaches. First class contained is towards the front of the train. Bicycle spaces are at the rear.
I'm all the way in Coach A. So let's get a Coach A. So yeah, leaving Derby, heading towards Sheffield. I didn't hear that once. Through Belper. There it is. Speed. Now that a few people have left or just about to leave for Chesterfield, we can sit the right way round and head towards Sheffield to see it. Chesterfield's the next stop. Chesterfield, Chesterfield. So yeah, only one more stop and then we get on the next train to Manchester. Just a minute late. nice, isn't it? Well, as you know, this recording is Monday the 8th of November, so this is the day when all the flights are properly going to America. So this morning I watched it live on YouTube and saw the plane go over, the A350 BA and Virgin A350 as well, yeah, to JFK. So yeah, this is the day when US immigration opens up for international travel. So a lot of people going out to America today, going to Disney, Florida, San Francisco, LA, all over the US of America. Even though I feel, I wish I was there, at the same time it's like, well, I gotta wait, because with prices at the moment, they're all over the place. With protecting yourself as well, you know, I know someone that's been to, where did they go? Ibiza, wherever it was, and they've come back, and their youngest has got symptomless COVID that they got over there. And it's like, well, yeah, you know, there's only so much you can protect yourself from. I know this isn't what this channel's about, but at the end of the day, you just need to protect yourself and keep yourself going, and that's what you need to do. And if that means that there aren't any flights for yourself to go to America, then so be it. But, you know, we're still going on public transport here. We're on a train right now. But, you know, we're trying to protect ourselves with tests and masks and things like that, just to kind of keep going. And yeah, so it's nice that we've got the Manchester trip. So yeah, going to a restaurant up there, one of my customers, to help them out. And yeah, just getting some texts at the moment from another customer in London wanting me down there soon. So with the move as well, packing, it's like, sorry Mrs. Megasim, I gotta go down to London. It's like, but we're packing. Yeah, but you know, just gotta get this set up done for you. Anyway, so yeah, that's just me rambling on for almost 3 minutes. But yeah, new houses. Looking forward to the move anyway. But yeah, since my last bit of the recording, it's all gone through, so just need to sign the contracts now in the next few weeks. So yeah, exciting stuff. Not sure on the internet there yet. So I spoke to BT, and they're saying that even though it could be 55 down and 11 up, the guarantee is 28 and 6, I think it was. Now I've had a look at BT OpenReach. I've done a whole load of extra research trying to figure out where the cabinet is. It's actually underground, I think. There's footpath covers the other side of the road from us. So it says that the highest is about 57, but there's an exchange around the corner. It is FTTC. So FTTC is fibre to the cabinet. That's what it stands for in the UK. Fibre to the cabinet, and then copper the rest of the way. Whereas they are gradually bringing FTTP, which is fibre to the premises. There is FTTP on demand going to that little underground bit, but if you want fibre to the rest of the way, it costs a lot of money. A lot of money. If BT aren't doing it for the homes normal, then they charge thousands for it to be put up. So I don't think we're going to get fibre. Maybe in the next couple of years we'll get it, if we're able to get it at a good price, or a voucher or something like that. You know, yeah, I'll definitely try and have a look at it, because yeah, I do want to have some decent internet. But if it's the lowest, then that they've said, the guaranteed one, it does mean that I'm going to have slower internet than I have right now. Only just, but it is going to be slower. But that's what happens anyway. Oh, I'm going on for 5 minutes now. Right, let's head to Sheffield. Oh, I just missed it. The curve down there to a tunnel was to Sheffield. To Manchester. So, look, here's the line that we go on to go to Manchester Piccadilly through the Peak District, door in Totley. Yeah, it's annoying because the last time I did that, when it was really delayed, it was a few months ago, and my phone just stopped recording. And I had this whole bit where we went through the tunnel. We didn't go to Sheffield. We bypassed it and just came straight round to Stockport. That was fun. But yeah, coming into Sheffield now.
Sheffield, next to the final station. I'd like to thank all customers for travelling East Railway. When leaving the train, please remember to take your belongings with you. items, please contact a member of staff. 16BT, please. 16. Don't forget the SSC.
Sorted. Yeah, I can't hear you, mate. Can't hear you. It's the problem with those microphones, you know, the speaker things, the announcers, they're not great. You know, these trains and the 156s and 158s, they're not great at all. Oh, excuse me. Right, coming into Sheffield, as I said, and yeah, next train to Manchester Piccadilly. Then I've got to catch an Uber to Salford. I could have taken the train, but it takes like nearly an hour because of all the timings to get over to Salford. So yeah, I wanted to keep this camera running, the video running, because we've got the trains, haven't we, on the left, which I like seeing. I know it's only a couple of northern trains. Nice train wash there. Yeah, I wanted to change it up a bit with this trip because it's always the same one, isn't it? So I thought, no, we're gonna go for it by going a different journey. It takes an extra 20 minutes, half an hour, costs an extra couple of quid, but that's fine. It's worth it. Here's the Northerns. It's a 150. It's a 150 in Northern. Class 150 in Northern colours. I guess that's going to Manchester Piccadilly as well, or it's coming back. Right, let's get off the train and try and find where our next one goes from. So this is where this train terminates, and now it's going back down to London. So yeah, I was like, oh, it's going to go, but no, this was the final call. It's now to London St Pancras. Let's go to the front because I want to see it. Yeah, there's that 150 Northern. Jason, I'm going to shout you out, Jason. You do some really good liveries on the Tracy World 2. I love looking at your liveries that you create, especially for the 150 and all of them. So yeah, really well done on them. It's a 195 Northern. It looks quite clean. Yeah, look at that, 222004 to London St Pancras. It's annoying that they keep, look, they're all blue. Oh, look at that. Look at the damage there. What hit that? Or is it just decay, you know, just falling apart? But what has hit that? Ooh. So anyway, let's go over to platform 6 and wait for our next train. Let's go. This isn't the train I'm getting on. We go to Manchester, but it's nice to see it. looks a little nicer on the top. Look, compare that to your Meridians. Your Meridians have that bit there, and they have the exhaust. Where's the exhaust? I think it's the other side for this train. But yeah, it's just a lot more gumph on the top of these ones. But yeah, that one's got a bit of a crack on it. What's cool is the Virgin logo's not visible. You know the Virgin badge that they have on the Voyagers? Can't see it on this one, which is good. There she goes. And there goes my East Midlands train. East Midlands Railway train, sorry. Is he gonna go? There's a load of whistling going on. Yeah, stand back. I can hear the platform, somebody on the platform, stand back! Stand back! Oh, there we go. Stand back! There she goes. Back down to London. That's the thing, got to keep an eye on it, because they couldn't do an emergency stop or something. Yeah, she was literally screaming, stand back, stand back.
1106 Northern service to Nottingham. Call it Dronfield, Chesterfield, Alfreton.
Look, she's watching it just to make sure it gets off the platform. Yeah, just couldn't leave. So this one's going to Nottingham. Platform 5A, and there is the East Midlands Railway Meridian, and I think that might be Matty Midlands train. Here it comes. First time.
Taxi service of drinks and light refreshments is available in the front 3 coaches.
We are going on the Trans-Pennine Express. Not on the Northern Trans-Pennine, but the Trans-Pennine Express. Same route. Through the Peak District. Stockport. Woohoo! I'm excited.
Sheffield, heading towards Manchester Piccadilly via the Peak District. Oh, and also we're in first class. Nice table. We're in first class. Looks like the trolley service has just arrived, but yeah, got a Seat Frog ticket, £8 upgrade. So you know the bidding service. I had to pay for it. It's not sponsored. But yeah, got it this morning, £8. So get some light refreshments on here, but yeah, we are first class to Manchester Piccadilly on Pennine Express.
Pennine Express service to Manchester Piccadilly.
So we've got our cup of tea, Brody's, got our milk, no sugar, sweet enough. Nice view. Just wanted to take a look. So we've got plug here, and we've got one down there. So we've literally got two. This side as well, it's just these two. So if you are sitting on the seat next to me, you'll probably use one of these. But yeah. So yeah, we'll wait for this tea to brew, and then we'll have a look at it and have a taste test. Slowly brewing. It's not dark enough yet. And there goes the line to London, and off we go to the Peak District. Now that he's done the drinks, now. So we've got some Belgian chocolate biscuits, Walkers, and some brown bag crisps. So yeah, hand cooked. Looks pretty nice. Looking forward to trying these. Yeah, now he's done the drinks. Stopped. Yeah, now that we got them, got this. He said cake as well, so yeah, I'll see if we can get some cake in a bit. But it is a full bar as well. Full catering for retail stuff, but just the bits that are included in first class. Totally forgot that I've also got brownies from home, so I'm going to be having that. Look at that cup of tea. Look at that. So yeah, looking forward to this. And we're moving again. Gorgeous, gorgeous sunshine out there today through the peaks. Cup of tea is pretty nice as well. Oh yeah, got a cup of tea. What's your drink of choice for this video today? Can I ask, because of myself drinking tea, have you kind of started drinking tea yourself? Because of that, I would love to know. And if you are in other parts of the world, if you can get hold of tea, get Yorkshire tea. It's so decent. It's the best one. Gotta make it right though. Sometimes there are class 66s here. Oh, there was a 59, I think that was. Hopefully you didn't hear that, pardon me. I really do think this is a really nice trip. Now, the main one that people love going on is the Settle to Carlisle. That's supposed to be an epic train journey, but I don't know. I've not been on that, so I need to go on that soon. But what do you think? What do you think of this, the Peak District going through Hope Valley? Do you think this is a really nice trip to go on? You just can't help but not look out the window constantly. Look at that. Gorgeous.
Now, I'm not really a walker, a hiker, but I would love to try climbing that. That would be really nice. Just to do once. Never again. Oh yes, cup of tea number 2. Yeah, we're at Davenport now, so we're just making our way towards Stockport. Went through Cape Hazelgrove, now Davenport. Yeah, Stockport's the next stop, and then Manchester Piccadilly. Yeah, I got my second cup of tea. Got another pack of these brown bag crisps. They're pretty nice, pretty nice. And some biscuits. Didn't get any cake. He said cake. I might ask for cake. I don't know. Hopefully we'll be going into the terminus of Manchester Piccadilly, because this train goes to Piccadilly. So that'd be cool. Oh, I like this. I like this. Edgeley. So we're now on the Manchester's main line. Oh, sorry. Just having a look at tickets to potentially go down to London on Wednesday. Or I could go the boring way with East Midlands, or we could try and change it up a bit and see if we can use, what is it, train split? I think it's train split. Not sponsored, but what you're able to do is get tickets that are split throughout different zones, try and find the cheapest version. So I want to try that, so just need the customer to confirm, and then maybe I'll be getting a train in a slightly different route. Maybe the journey back I'm going to try and push for it to be East Midlands Railway, but tickets at the moment for the similar times are £50 more if I go through East Midlands. So I think that might be worth, you know, trying that. But yeah, anyway, because I'm going through, you know, on the train with tunnels and stuff like that, I'm going to book my tickets when I get to Manchester to my customer up there, confirm with the customer in London, and hopefully, if all goes well, we'll have another train real world. So hopefully you're enjoying these videos. I'm enjoying them too. Yeah, Stockport. Not sure if there are going to be any trains this side. There's not many trains the other side either. I haven't seen any. Oh, there's a Pendolino the other side. What a Nova 2. Oh yeah, nice cup of tea. That was a good one as well. Nice and strong. So there we have it. Approaching Manchester Piccadilly. These are the lines that I would usually be on. To be able to go round to 13 and 14, I think it was. So there they go. Yep, there's 13 and 14. So that's where we would usually stop, but thankfully we are terminating in actual Manchester Piccadilly. Always a Pendolino on that side. Hopefully you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed this trip. It was across country as well, Voyager 220. But yeah, look at this. So we're in first class. £8 it was for the seat frog upgrade, which ain't bad. It's not bad really. Mrs. Megasin was like, really, do you have to buy good? It's only £8, come on please. So yeah, hopefully if we do that split train thing in a couple of days, might be able to get first class on that route as well. I don't know yet. We'll have to wait and see. Ooh, can you feel the track? See, look at the track there. Can you see with the bobbly lines on there to kind of tell you we're at the end? So what we'll do, let's get off the train, leave the station, and yeah, say our goodbyes.
This is Manchester Piccadilly.
Just wanted to show off the first class in here anyway. So yeah, got a nice seating area now that everyone's gone. But yeah, let's get off the train now. There we were in there.
There they are, tidying up now. There was quite a bit there, wasn't there? Right, let's take a couple of nice shots of this train and we'll say goodbye. So that's pretty much it, everyone. Normally I'll be going out that way, but I've got to go this way to catch me Uber to Salford. But no, thank you so much for joining us on this trip. Give us a thumbs up, let me know that you care if you did like this video. Subscribe, and all the associated links and social media are all in the description below. We'll see you on the next video. This is Mega Sim out of here. See you later, guys. Bye.